Much Times Square we cover. Robin?
You better believe it, Sam. You better believe it. But now, 5 things you need to know about preventing dry, itchy skin. This is what I'm sure those folks downstairs, this is what they're thinking about. Most people think of the cold winter months of the season as scratching, but it doesn't have to be. Dermatologist and our good friend, Dr. Doris Day, is here today with some tips to help keep your skin healthy and happy. And this is a serious issue, especially this time of the year, because you said there are also some health conditions that can result from dry
Absolutely.
skin.
When your skin is dry and flaky, that means it's not a healthy, intact barrier. And especially below the knee, that can put you at increased risk of infection. So it is really important to keep your skin healthy, especially in the dry winter months.
Okay, and you said starts with the shower.
That's right. Actually, showering is good for your skin because it adds water into your skin. But the trick is not too hot and not too long, because hot water will actually pull the natural oils out of your skin, and if you stay in too long, that will happen as well.
And while you're in there, it's okay to exfoliate?
You can exfoliate, but probably a little bit less often than you do in the summer, and use a more gentle exfoliator, and make sure you moisturize right afterwards.
Oh, you're going to talk about that a great deal. I know moisturizing is so key, especially right after you step out of the shower bath.
That's right. When you step out of the shower, just pat your skin dry so it's still damp, and then you want to moisturize using a cream. So when you put away your summer clothing, it's a good time to put away your summer products and go to a more rich, emollient cream that's going to actually pull water in and lock it into your skin. And the newer creams are actually less greasy, and they sink in quickly, so you're more comfortable putting your clothes on afterwards.
And I noticed you said cream. You didn't say lotion. You said cream.
That's right. Lotions are water-based, so they can actually make you more dry in the winter because the water will get pulled out of your skin and will pull more water out along with it. So all that effort you made to moisturize may feel good for a few moments, but may leave you more dry afterwards.
And you said there's a way of being able to test if you have the right type of cream that you're using.
That's right. If you put a dollop of the cream, we have a little spoon here to show, you put a little bit of that cream onto the palm of your hand, and you turn your palm over, and it holds. That means that that's rich enough to keep you moisturized.
All right. And I see here you have some gloves. You prefer, if I remember well from last year, mittens over gloves.
I like mittens because the body warmth from finger to finger actually keeps your fingers warm. So mittens are really nice. They're not always practical, but they're good. So that really helps a lot as well. So gloves are fine. You want ones that are warm, and put them on before you go out because that dry, windy winter skin leaves your skin really very dry. So put the gloves on before you go out. It's easier to get ahead than to try to catch up.
Okay, and you have sunscreen even though that you're going outside.
Sunscreen is very important. I call it daylight screen. Every day, all year round. And if you're prone to acne, you can even ask your dermatologist, because sunscreens and all these products can make people with acne break out. But in the winter, there's also more gentle products, and there's ones like Zeana. You could ask your dermatologist. So sunscreen, more gentle products, rich and emollient.
All right, Dr. Doris Day, thank you very much.
Thanks for having me.
Think about that. You get more tips on our website, but something very important is happening right now. Let's go over to Diane.